Hi, this is Mark DeLeese, and I have something exciting to show you. This is a lesson on how to convert your existing WordPress blog or site to a mobile theme and have all the same pages link up and all your categories link up and posts and so forth. Um, Here is my mobile theme right here. Now, this is my test site. And I have this. This is a WordPress. This is a new WordPress install / mobile, and I'll show you some of the problems that I ran into. Now this is a new install, and in the directions, you'll see that you simply go to first of all to set up a blog. You see it says blog. So if I click on blog, and you can all the posts are right here, and I can search by category. So I have one category on this test blog, and it's SEO, and you can see it shows up a couple posts under the SEO category. Well, I ran into a problem with my doing this on an existing website where there's lots of existing posts, and the permalink structure is differently, and I'll show you what I mean. For example, if I were to go to this one here and I go to settings and go to permalinks, you'll see here that my permalink structure is on the post name. All right, and that's all it is. But if I go to Mark DeLeese blog and if I go down to permalinks, the permalink structure is quite different, and adds a category. It adds a category before the post name. All right. So if I were to change my permalinks on my markdeleese.com blog, it'll greatly affect my SEO, and a lot of 404 pages will happen and so forth. And to back up, to do it on a new WordPress install, you know the instructions are first of all to create a category. This is a new WordPress install. You create a category, go to categories, and create a category called blog. So you just create a new category, call it blog, and the slug is blog, and make it the parent as none. So create a new category called blog, and then make all your other categories as subcategories under blog. You see, so I have another category, and you simply make it as a subcategory. And to do that, you simply click on edit and make it as the parent is blog. You see that? So that's easy enough to do on a new WordPress install. And then you simply go to your menu items, and you create a new menu item. I've already done that, and I called it blog. So let me just edit this, and I'll show you what this looks like. And you put in, you title your menu item blog, and you link the URL of your category, which is right here. This is the right link structure. So mobile / category / blog, so that you link that category to the title of your menu icon, and then you import the icon right here as a featured. So when you click on update, and you can order it, by the way, when you click on update, it'll give you this menu icon that says blog, and when you click on there, you'll see that if I were to click on one of these posts here, you'll see here that down here, look on down here on the bottom. You see it's / category / blog / subcategory SEO. So I can go on that, and it'll simply give me the SEO category. And so if I click on one of these, you can see if you go down here, down below, when I hover over it, you can see what's going on there. All right. Okay. All right. So how to do this on an existing blog, and I ran into some snags, and I'll show you what I mean. If I were to go to posts and I go to categories, and if I were to create a new category called blog, called blog, and the problem is that I'm going to run into this, is that my blog is already on my blog is already on a folder called blog. And so it's going to look really, really funny. First of all, it's going to look like, you know, Mark DeLeese blog.com and then blog, and then it's going to have a category called blog, and then, you know, and then whatever posting. So it's going to have two names in the link structure called blog. One is the WordPress install is right here, and another one is a category that I would make called blog. Well, that looks silly for one thing. And there's something else, is that my permalink structure is a lot different. My permalink structure also has a category, a post name categories, and so that throws a wrench into it. So this is what I did on a new WordPress install. I created a category, and I did not call it blog. I called it articles. Okay? And you can call it anything you want, articles. So I called it articles, and I put my slug as articles, and I put parent as none. And then you can see here that I've done it on a these are all my these were all my existing categories. And as you can see here, I've changed it on two of them, and I haven't changed it on the third, just to show you. And what you do is you go into each of your categories. You go into each of your categories, and you select as the parent as articles. Okay, just like that. And then when you've done that, first of all, to see it, you can see here that my desktop theme is activated. So to see it, go into your appearances, go into your themes, and activate the mobile theme so that you can see and change your mobile theme so you can see what's going on. And what you need to do is you need to, once you've created that category called articles, go to your mobile page settings, click on mobile page settings, and remember on this one, this is the new install. Let me just show you what it looks like. Let me go to settings, or no, appearance, mobile page settings. On the new WordPress install, which is right here, I just want to show you the difference. You come down here where it says blog page settings, select blog category. So the category is blog, and on my Mark DeLeese, I'm going to come down here and come down. It says select blog page settings, select blog category, and I will choose articles as the main category. All right. Then it says show archive drop down menu, show categories drop down menu. I got both of them enabled. That's fine. And then come down here and save changes. All right. And then to set up the icon, make sure you go to menu items, add new. But I'll show you. I've already done it, so I'll show you what it looks like. And make sure that the title is still called blog, because this is going to be let me refresh because I've changed the theme on this. Let me just refresh. You can see what it looks like. You can see that whatever you put as this is the menu items. Remember, this is the menu items. Whatever you put as the title is going to be the title on your home page, the title of your icon. So you can change. You can name it right here. And so let me just edit that, and I'll show you what I put. I put as the title as blog, but I put the Mark DeLeese /blog /articles, because this is the category that I put on there. All right, just like that. Let me go to menu items. This is the old one here. All right, so I'll just show you that. And as you can see here, I want to add, I forgot to add something in here. So you want to put the word category. Here's your blog install, then put the word category, and then this is your main category that you linked your theme to. So if I go to my Mark DeLeese blog, here it is here. You can see that I want to put category right there. Okay, right there. So if I click on update, it's like that. Okay, it's going to, if I refresh, okay, it's refreshed. Now if I click on blog, it's like that. The internet's slow for some reason. Let me click on that puppy again. Okay, so here it is right here. What you're going to do is you're going to find obviously all the articles right here. But I can browse through categories. So if I click on category, these are the ones that I have right now. If I go to categories, so let me leave page. And so if I go to article writing, or if I go to news, if I click on news, you can see that all my categories, so here it is right here, blog / category / articles. So it's not blog. This could have been, if I go back to the new install, they would have the menu item would be blog. So, but I changed it to articles. So instead of saying marklease.com / blog / category / blog, it's not doing that again. I put the word articles, but I named the title of it as blog. You see, so it looks like that on the icon. And then news, and this is all the news ones. You see that? And I can browse through archive. So if I look on September and whatever, it's really cool. So to change the rest of the categories, I just simply go to my Mark DeLeese blog categories, and I go to edit, and I change it right here and make the main category as articles. So now this is going to be a subcategory. All right, update that. That's done, and I can do it on this one. Edit this. The name, I'm actually going to change it to SEO, and don't change the slug though. Just the name of it as caps, all caps, large caps, and like that. That's done, and then I will change tricks and make the category as articles as a parent and update. Okay. So now if I refresh this, and let me refresh here, and go back to home. I'll show you exactly what it looks like now, and go to blog. It'll show you now my last article that I made. This is the last one I did, December 13th, and I can browse by category, and it'll show me all my categories. You see that? Isn't that cool? And then I can go right into them, or else I can just go my last articles. Now I can change this. I can change that. So see, it's titled articles. I can go back here and I can edit that to say recent articles. See that? Recent articles. So now if I refresh, it'll say recent articles down here. See how cool that is? Now the thing is that I changed the permalink structure, because anytime you change the category structure here, it's going to change the permalink structure, because I made them from I made all these subcategories now, and I put in a new category. So how do you change? It's going to change my permalink structure, and so any backlinks back there pointing to my domain are going to get 404 errors. Okay. And so what you need to do is I have installed a plugin that will change your permalink structure with a 301 redirect. And so Let me go to plugins. And you can just do a plugin, just go to plugins, install new. And you can simply do a search for this plugin and install it. Just search right here and install it. But I've already installed it, so I'll show you the name of it. And it works for me. And it's right here. Change permalink helper. Alright? It checks the permalinks and redirects the new URL. If it doesn't exist, it sends the header message moved through permanently 301. So it's called a change permalink helper, and just simply activate that and you'll be all set up from there. And that's about it. So now I have my blog on here, and I got all my categories on there, and everything's linked up. And now I can go back and I can once your theme is all set up with your mobile theme, you can go back and make sure your mobile detector, see it says mobile redirector, make sure that's activated, and anytime somebody browses with a mobile browser, it's going to redirect them to the mobile theme. So make sure that's activated. So I can go back to the themes, and we are going to activate my desktop theme. So I'm going to refresh on my desktop. Great. So we're back, and so I can go to home, and I will check my iPhone right now, and my iPhone is going to direct me to my WordPress mobile theme. That's great. So that's exactly how you do it, folks. And if you have any questions, just email my support desk and we'll go from there. Thank you.